Hello my PC students. This is the second part of the 3D formulas. So now you can see that we still have sales 1 and we still have sales 2. Alright, so we don't need sales 2 anymore. It was just a view, so we can close it out. It's not going to ask us to save or anything like that. And now we are back to one view, okay, our original document which we always had, and save it. Now I'm just going to select this to touch this up a bit here. Oh, hold on here. I'm going to right click, go to Format Cells, and choose Accounting with no $ and 0 decimal places. Alright, so now what I want you to see is if I go to July, and right now you see this value is 77,854. Alright, I'm going to change it to 100,000. Okay, and I press enter. Now did you see that this changed to $2,014,458? And if I go to Q3, you will see there that July has changed to 2 million, and all of these have updated. Why did they update? Because they're linked. If I go to August, and let's say that I'll go up here, and for coupons I'll put in 60,000. So again, you can see the difference easily. 60,000. Okay, and I'm going to press enter. And now watch, I'm going to go to Q3 and I change the coupons, and now they've gone up to $781. So every time you make a change, and this is the beauty, and this is why they call it 3D, because they're linked. And so every time we change something in here, it changes, right? Okay, so now I'm going to go back to August, and well, I'm just going to go Control Z, and there's my amount back, 268,000. If I go to Q3, I see my 268,000 and my total changes. And if I go Control Z one more time, I bring back my 77,854, which is 1,992,312, right? If I go check Q3, I see $1,992,312. So that was a really nice way to do, and that's how easily your 3D formulas work. All you have to do is pick it up from another sheet and say paste link. Okay, that's all I need to show you there. So therefore we'll stop